Hi, my name is John Aruldason from the Aruldason Group, and I want to talk to you today about a notice of security interest, or some people refer to as a NOSI. What is a NOSI? A security interest is something that is registered against title to a property that basically tells anyone that looks into that property that a person or a company or some entity has an interest in that property. Now, unfortunately, we have seen a rise in fraud surrounding security interests. How did this happen? Well, oftentimes people will get financing secured against their home, and someone would register a security interest against the home without the knowledge of the homeowner. How does this happen? This typically happens when you see people finance home renovations, such as upgrades to their furnace, installation of windows, or installing a new roof. When companies offer a don't pay now, pay later plan, or pay for this upgrade in equal installments, what's buried in their paperwork that most people don't know about is that the homeowner is basically authorizing the company lending that money to register a security interest against the property. And therefore, whenever somebody looks at title to the property, they will see that this company that has provided financing for some sort of home improvement has an interest in the property. Now, why this has become more complicated is that these security interests are essentially drawing equity out of people's homes without them knowing it. Right? Say, for example, if your home was worth $100,000 and you had a $20,000 security interest registered against it, it is presumed that you only have $80,000 of equity left in that home. Now, this was a problem because whenever someone does anything with title to their property in Ontario, they have to speak to a lawyer. Whether they buy, sell, or refinance, people have the opportunity to consult with a lawyer to understand the effects of the document they're signing. These security interests were signed up oftentimes on the doorsteps of people's homes without them being able to consult a lawyer and understand the implications of the documents they were signing. Unfortunately, this led to a lot of fraud. Sometimes people would register security interest for $50,000 against a property and only receive a new furnace that's worth $10,000. That $40,000 difference is still registered against the property. Earlier in 2024, the government passed new legislation that allowed for these security interests to be removed from title to people's property. And now we're able to remove them off people's title without them having to pay out these loans with the security interest. If you don't know if there's a security interest registered at your home, or you're concerned that maybe an old security interest may be sitting there from years ago, feel free to give us a call or send us an email where we can help you out by looking into it.